Today we have this Icon 800 Lumen Rechargeable Slim Bar Light. It's very similar to the Braun light. So what I liked on this one, also has a magnet and it has the USB-C rechargeable plug. So instead of the other one, it's a USB-C connection. So it's fully collapsible. So the high 800 lumens, it's about 3 hours. The low 7 hours. And then the back, the high 500 lumens, 4.5 hours, 180, and 8.5 hours. So it was designed in the USA, but it was manufactured in China. Let's go ahead and open it up. So right here I have the Braun Flashlight. Go ahead and open this bad boy up. This might be the instructions or warnings. Little sounds like just regular paper. We have the USB-C connection right here. I do like that. Let's go ahead and measure the cable. So here we have one end. So it measures about 39-40 inches. It's about 39-40 inches. About 40. There's both connections. One side USB and the other one USB-C. Feels pretty lightweight. There's a brand Icon. Feels pretty nice actually. You have the power button here on the side. Fully collapsible like that. Let's put it side by side with the Braun. The Braun is not fully collapsible, just goes to there and to there. So the Braun is a tad bit longer. We have the Icon flashlight at about 1 foot. And the Braun is 13 inches and a half. about 5 inches. The little beam thing, this one is about 4 inches. So this one's smaller, the icon one. So this one is pretty dirty. Should have cleaned it before I compared them. That's the Braun. This is the icon. Nice and smooth. No clicking sound. Except when it hits here. Nice and smooth. There's the Braun one. I'm gonna go ahead and charge this so we can compare them side by side, which one's brighter. So for the Braun light, whenever the battery's low, this thing turns red. So as you can see, it's green. That's the only way you can tell. On this one, on the icon one, has 3 little bulbs. It shows you the charging status and when you're using it, how much battery level it has. So right there has 3 bars. So that's the long one. That's a very bright one. Here's the back one. So right there it's charging. It's charging on the 3rd level, so it's not that much charge that it needs. So that's what it looks like when it's charging. So right now we have both of the lights on right here. Right now the only one on is the Braun. They're right next to each other. So this is what the Braun looks like, the Braun Flashlight. That was the high, that's the low. That's the high, once again on the Braun. That's the low. That's the low on the icon. That is high on the icon. Let's go ahead and turn on, that's the high on the icon. Let's go ahead and turn on the Braun and see if there's any difference. Small difference there. Once again, very small difference. So yes, there is a difference. The icon is brighter than the Braun since it does have a lot more lumens. As you can see, it does light up way better. That's really nice. So far with the Braun, I've had no problems with the Braun flashlight. I've dropped this a few times and it's still working. For the icon, I can't tell yet. It's brand new. I just bought it, so within a few months I'm gonna know. This is the icon. Here's the icon, so you can see it does light up really well. Let's go ahead and compare it with the Braun. This is the Braun. You can notice the difference. This is the flashlight on the Braun. And this is the flashlight on the Icon. It does give like a little circle, a focus circle compared to the Braun. As you can see, it does fade. These are side by side. The Icon does give a focus circle. So that's the this right here is the Braun. That's the Icon over it. So it does give out a nice little beam. So that's the little flashlight that the Icon has. Can move it around. That's the brightest setting on the Icon. Brightest setting. Let's go ahead and check out the Braun with the flashlight. That's the Braun flashlight. You can barely see. Let's go ahead and turn on the Icon flashlight. So by comparison, side by side, that's the Braun. You can see the Icon. So Icon gives a really nice. Let's compare them side by side here. That's the Icon. You can barely see, waving it around. Let's go ahead and turn on the Icon flashlight. Way big of a difference. It's a really nice flashlight, actually. Let's go ahead and put the high setting side by side. That's the Icon, the highest setting it has. And this is the Braun highest setting. That's the Braun. There's the Icon. It's not too much of a difference, but you can tell though. So in all three of them are really nice flashlights. I really like the new Icon that it folds like that. So it's more compact. Not like this one, just weird angle like that. So this is a really nice touch on this one. The thing I didn't like on this one is the button. If it's really dark, you're looking for the button, you can't really feel it because everything feels the same. I like the button on this one a little bit better because it's punched out. You can feel it right away. So if it's really dark, I have no problems finding this power button. Same thing goes on this one. It's really hard to find this button also. Should be popped up a little bit so we can know where it exactly is. The one I really like the most is the little flashlight here on the end, as you saw in the video. So if you're looking for a little bit more light, you can go ahead and buy this one. But if you're happy with this one, The happy with the light it gives you. This one is still a nice flashlight. It's still a good flashlight. Then this one does heat up a lot. I did like it. If you're looking even for more lumens, you can go with this one. Let me know what you guys think. Send a comment. Which one you like the most. Hopefully they can fix this with the button. Make it a little bit more so you can find it at whenever it's night, whenever it's dark.